Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your microphone problems on WhatsApp. So first thing you're gonna do, of course, check if your WhatsApp is updated to the newest version possible. Then go to your device settings, search for app management or manage apps. It may be different in other devices or smartphones brands. And search for WhatsApp. First clear your cache and then make sure that you allowed everything here, especially microphone, because of course if you didn't allow WhatsApp to use your microphone, it won't be able to use it, and of course you can be able to record voice messages or even receive calls. Then go to your WhatsApp, and if this all didn't help you, try to restart your phone. And if all of this didn't help, maybe because the problem is in your phone, on your microphone, and the microphone can be damaged or something like this. And if the problem isn't in your microphone, you always can just contact WhatsApp developers and ask them for help. So how to do that? First, find this three dot on your top right corner, go to settings, scroll down, and you will find here help center, and contact them. You will find this contact us. Tell your problem about this, like why my microphone is not working. Go next, and this go to send my question to WhatsApp support because it all didn't help you. And they will answer you the question. So they will help you. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in another video.